What's up guys, we are back and today we are with the ISF. I had bought these upgraded tire sizes for the ISF. They've just been sitting here in the garage for a bit because I didn't have any wheels to switch them out with, because I essentially wanted a winter wheel setup and then like a summer wheel setup. So I bought these, I guess, super cheap set of like advanti wheels off a ISF group chat member, and yeah, we're gonna clean these up and then clean these up, and then they'll be ready for transport to a shop to get them like mounted and balanced. So I already cleaned this one, so 3 more to go, and I just hit it with like a wheel cleaner and then just rinse it and stuff. Super dirty, and there's a bunch of like curb rash, but I don't really care. That's why I was contemplating about just using the OEM wheels for the summer, and keeping these for the winter. But yeah, I want to get them mounted and then throw them on the car and see how they look first with the whole setup and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna get started cleaning these.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
So after about 3 or 4 rinses, it's the inside barrel is pretty clean. I'm gonna get started working on the outside. Well, I rinsed the outside, but I didn't really do a deep clean. But yeah, an idea of how dirty these bad boys are. Clean finger. It's just like I'm guessing years of brake dust. But the barrel is even more dirty. But yeah, get started on this one, second one, 2 out of 4. And we'll be done. I'm probably gonna hit it with like a sealant and a wax, just to prevent it from brake dust ever caking on it again, and easier to clean. So wheels are all cleaned up. I'm gonna start waxing them. So this combo I'm gonna use is Chest Cars Power Lock and Colonite 845. I think if you guys have been watching some of my videos for a while, you'll know that this is the combo I usually use. So basically tried and trusted with a bunch of detailers, but yeah, I'm gonna start applying it. Kind of. Eat what?
Bagel.
The inside barrel, pretty clean, probably 8 off of. Now for the fronts, and then we'll be done. I'm pretty glossy already. Probably doesn't show it, yeah, on cam, but yeah. all done. layer of sealant and then wax, and then yeah, looking pretty good. So I got this set for like 400 bucks. Not too bad. Yeah, just a super quick video cleaning the wheels and the tires that I bought. Hopefully in the next one I will have the tires and wheels mounted and balanced, and I'll be able to throw them on the ISF. Yeah, do a quick walk around then. But until then, see you guys later.
Sash.